Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone and opening the phone app. First, make sure the side volume buttons or control center reflect audible volume. This affects call output. Once done, launch phone and view the keypad or recents so you can trigger a test call. Make sure silence or do not disturb is off, because those mute alerts. This sets the environment so you're testing real call audio rather than muted notifications. Now you're ready to proceed to in-call checks. Place a live call, call a contact, your voicemail, or a test number so you can hear true call audio. While connected, press the side volume buttons. You'll see the in-call volume indicator, which is separate from ringer volume. Toggle speaker to hear the loudspeaker and switch to Bluetooth or wired headphones to compare levels. Doing this helps you identify whether low volume is hardware, Bluetooth routing, or software related, and lets you pick the best output for clear conversation. Finish by confirming the chosen output sounds correct and saving any Bluetooth or volume preferences. If volume remains low, restart your iPhone and test again. This clears temporary software issues. Make sure settings sounds and haptics and accessibility audio/visual have no unexpected limits or balance shifts. One key troubleshooting tip: debris or a tight case can muffle the receiver. Clean ports gently and remove the case before testing. If problems persist after these steps, consider contacting support for hardware inspection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.